my dear principal madam, my dear teachers, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am going to recite a poem. Little bird, once I saw little bird going hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But a choke his little tail. Far away he flew. I am published Bowman from grade 1C. Bapa Home Buddhist University, Sri Lanka.